back to a new Gotchaverse developer update video. I'm Looney, and I asked on Twitter if you would like to know about the new home menu or how to make skits. It was a close battle, but making skits came out on top. I'll cover the home menu soon enough though. Now let's talk about how I'm actually making the skit. Let's skedaddle skitdoodles!
Stop!
Here we are at the Skit Maker. It's a giant mess, but hopefully you get used to it. With the Skit Maker, you can make a skit with 1 or 2 characters. Starting from the left, this is where you choose a scene. There's distance now, so you can position your characters far away, normal distance, close up, and do perspective things. Also, you can flip your characters left or right. Next, we can choose which 1 or 2 characters we want. There's actually a small bug. You shouldn't be able to duplicate your character, but since I'm lazy, I guess I'll let this slip. I mean, it's not a bug! You can just clone yourself! Okay, moving on. Let's type some text. This is probably the most exciting news of all. You remember in Gacha Studio how you had to manually change the chat bubble to fit your text inside of it? Well, now it's automatic.
About time.
Look, man, I'm bad at coding. You can also change the colors of the text and bubble. Find what suits your character the best and bring out the best edginess you can. Then of course you can change the background. Also, you can change your face in each part. There are preset faces to make this process go fast, and you can manually make faces to suit your character. Next are the poses. It's pretty much what you suspect. Just select which pose you want to be played and you're good to go. When going to a new line in the skit, if all you need to do is change the text, then you can just copy the previous line with the copy button. If you're making a skit with the same characters throughout, you can go up here to copy first, which will copy the first part of the skit onto the rest. You can also change the skit's title, change which music plays during the skit, turn names on or off, set the max lines so the skit ends correctly, and then you can test the skit at the current page you're on, or start the skit, which will include the title showing. When you start the skit, there are invisible buttons to progress the skit. Click the right side of the screen to proceed, and the left side to go back apart. Finally, click the top left corner to exit out. That was a quick overview of the Skit Maker. I hope you will find this feature useful. It'll be free to use and available when the game launches. So, people keep asking me when Gotchaverse will release. The plan is to release it on Android by the end of June. Then release the studio portion for PC afterwards. Animations might be a bit laggy on the mobile version, so it may run better on the PC version. Finally, once all the bugs are squished and no problems are found, we'll get it released for iOS devices. I'm really excited.